If you've ever dreamed of building passive income online but don't want to spend hours creating content or selling products yourself, automated webinars might be your secret weapon. You see, webinars are one of the highest converting tools in online marketing, but doing them live can be exhausting. Setting up software, hosting events, and presenting on camera takes serious effort. That's why John Thornhill's Webinar Profit Engine was created. It's a done for you automated webinar system that sells for you even while you sleep. You don't need your own product, audience, or tech skills. Everything's ready to go. From the webinar funnel and email follow ups to pre written ad copy and back end offers. All you do is send traffic using the simple strategies included, and the system automatically turns leads into commissions. It's like having a 24/7 digital salesperson working for you, helping you earn passive income on autopilot. Click the link below to learn how to set up your automated webinar income system and start building your passive income stream today.